take a look at replacing the PCV valve on this Chrysler 2.4 liter multi-air engine. Now I've gone ahead and removed the upper engine cover. It just pops up off here. And so I've also gone ahead and disconnected the ambient air temp sensor and removed a screw that holds the air box to the throttle body. Popped a clip out here, loosened the clamp. So essentially right now I want to get this whole breather assembly out of here. I'm going to take my 10mm socket and an impact, and that's going to allow me to get this assembly up out of the way here. And it's not completely necessary, but it's going to make it a lot easier for you to see what I'm doing here. So I'll also release this little clip. Holds the line in place, and I can get that up out of my way. Now you can see the rubber hose here, which actually I can pull off and exposes my PCV valve. Now I'm going to take my ratchet with a 15/16 socket, slide that over, and simple as that, I can thread my old PCV valve out of the valve cover. So now I can take my new one, I'll thread it in place here. Tighten it down with the ratchet, install the hose, and of course we're going to reinstall the breather and get everything buttoned up. But really it's straightforward. You don't have to pull all this stuff off to do the PCV valve yourself. I just did it so you could see it easier on the camera. Pop the hose off, thread the valve out, thread the new one in, put the hose back on, you're done. Hopefully now you understand what it takes to replace the PCV valve on a Chrysler 2.4 liter multi-air engine.